Good morning, all. So, in our previous class, we were discussing about who shall be king. So, all the birds of the forest held a meeting to choose a king among them, and everyone wants to become the king. So, each of them starts to describe about their talents, is it? Okay, now let's continue. The vulture, who was really a foolish bird, shook his head. A fine king you will make, said he. Everybody is afraid of you. You are always catching and killing small birds and animals. The birds looked at each other. Everyone agreed that for once the foolish vulture was right. However, they remained silent on the question as to who would be the king of the birds. At last, the shy little sparrow spoke up. Shall we have a race? The bird who flies the highest will be our king, he said. Yes, yes, a race, cried all the birds together. And with a fluttering of wings and noisy chirping, the birds got ready for the race. So now Eagle shouted at them, saying that I am the most strongest and cleverest among us. So I should be the king of all the birds. Then what happened? Did all of them agreed his wish? No. A vulture was listening all these things. And a vulture is known as he's called as a foolish bird. And he didn't like what Eagle said. Then what he did? He shook his head and asked Eagle, how could you be a good king? You are always catching and killing smaller birds and animals. And everyone is afraid of you. So you cannot be a good king. So even though vulture is so foolish, anyway now every birds agreed that vulture is right. What vulture said is correct. But again they were in a confusion. They remained in silence. Why? What's the reason? They didn't get a king yet. And at last the shy little sparrow kept a suggestion. And what was it? They decided to make a race. And how it is possible? They cannot run, no? They decided to conduct a race on who is going to fly the highest. Yes, yes, a race, cried all the birds together. And with a fluttering of wings and noisy chirping, the birds got ready for the race. So all of them were happy. So they got ready for the race with their fluttering wings. A monkey with sharp eyes was to judge the race. On your marks, get set, go, shouted the monkey, and the birds flew up in the air. Higher and higher they rose up into the blue sky. However, the eagle flew swiftly and beat all the other birds. He flew up and up until he became a more speck in the blue sky. The other birds gave up the race. They came down sadly. The eagle was to be their king. He would eat all the little birds and their babies. So finally, they started the race and it was judged by whom? And this race was judged by a monkey with sharp eyes. So all the birds started to fly up in the air. But we know who will be flying higher? Yes, eagle, no? He went higher and higher into the blue sky, and all the other birds gave up the race. They cannot fly much higher, so they came down so sadly. The eagle came down to the earth. He was very proud of himself. I am king of all the birds. I flew the highest, he shouted. No, you didn't, said a quiet voice. The little sparrow hopped off the eagle's back. I was sitting on your back, he said, and no matter how high you flew, I always flew a little higher. And that was how the clever little sparrow became the king of all the birds. The birds were very happy. Even today, you can hear them singing as they go about their work since they remain happy and joyful. So, who won the race? Yes, Eagle won the race. So he came down very proudly. Why? He's going to become the king of the birds, no? But see, the clever little sparrow was sitting in his bag throughout the race. He is just sitting up above the eagle. No? So sparrow is sitting much higher than eagle. So when he was flying, the sparrow was also flying much higher than this eagle, isn't it? So the little sparrow was too clever that he always flew a little higher than whom? Higher than eagle. So now who won the race? Yes, the little sparrow won the race and became the king of all the birds. Did you like the story? So my dear children, in next page, page number 49, you can see exercise with two questions, and the first one is to just read the sentence and to write whether it is correct or wrong. So you please read the textbook, read your chapter 2 or 3 times and find the answer. Okay, and next question is to just match the following group of words given there. Okay, you please try to do that also. Thank you. Have a nice day.